Data is something that is driving most of the businesses today. Organizations that can leverage the power of the data to create value for themselves are the ones that are bound to thrive in the times ahead. Keeping the same in mind, DInsight, the analytics club of IMI Kolkata, is formed. This club helps students to understand the potential of data across varied domains.
The club's primary goal is to empower students with the latest methods and techniques for addressing the complex real-world problems using large data sets.
We organize events to make them understand the practical aspect of the data in their day-to-day lives and in the business world as well.
Our initiatives include guest speaker and alumni engagement, which include inviting industry professionals and connecting with our alumni members to share insights and trends in analytics and career advice.
As DInsight is a purpose and mission-driven club, I take immense pride in mentioning our recent achievement as a team. DInsight's collaboration with IIM Bangalore to start the student chapter of the Analytics Society of India.